Stow it. What does it mean? Hello dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into an English idiom that might have left you scratching your heads. Stow it. If you've ever heard this phrase and wondered about its meaning and how to use it, then this video is for you. Stow originally comes from Old English and means to place, or to keep, something in a particular position. Ships, for instance, have storerooms where goods and items are stowed away. Over time, the term has evolved and taken on additional connotations. In its literal sense, stow means to put away or store something in a designated space. For instance, on an airplane, you are often told to stow your luggage in the overhead compartment. That means you should place your luggage safely in that space. When someone says, stow it, in a conversation, they aren't usually talking about putting objects away. Instead, it's a colloquial and informal way to say, be quiet, stop talking, or enough already. It's like telling someone to put away their comments or remarks. This usage is more common in American English and can sometimes come across as rude, so it's essential to be cautious about when and where you use it. To help you understand better, here are a few example sentences. 1. I've heard enough of your complaints. Stow it. 2. During the movie, when someone was talking loudly, Jane turned around and whispered, "Can you stow it? I'm trying to watch." 3. Every time we discuss this, you bring up old issues. Just stow it for once. So, the next time someone tells you to stow it, you'll know they're not asking you to organize your belongings, but rather asking for silence or an end to a particular topic. Remember, language is rich and evolving, and idioms like these add color to our conversations. We hope this video sheds light on the phrase, stow it, and helps you use it confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning!